Hi, I am Priyanka from CSC department. Today we are going to discuss a topic on a comparative case study on the impact of test-driven development on program designing and test coverage. Let's get into the topic. First of all, let us see what does mean by test-driven development. It is a programming technique in which the tests are written prior to the source code. It is proposed that TDT is one of the most fundamental practices enabling the development of software in an agile and iterative manner. Introduction to the test driven development. It is not, despite its name, a testing technique but rather a development technique in which the tests are written prior to the source code. The tests are added gradually during the implementation process, and when the tests are passed, the code is refactored to improve its internal structure. This incremental cycle is repeated until all the functionality is implemented. And the next is review of the empirical body of evidence. In the section, the existing empirical evidence on TDT is reviewed and summarized. A total of 16 studies were included in this review. The main results of each study are collected in table in Appendix 1. Next, classification of TDT studies. The studies were categorized by their context. Four of the studies were classified as performed in an industrial context since they were conducted primarily with professional developers in real industry setting developing a concrete software product to be delivered. TDT in industrial settings. The project managers estimated that TDT increased the overall development time by 15 to 35%. The block coverage was 79 to 88% at a unit test level in project employing TDT. And the next is TDT in semi-industrial settings. The quality effects of TDT are not as obvious in this context as in studies performed in industrial settings. However, there are indications that TDT may help to produce more tests and to achieve better test coverage. And the next is TDT in academic settings. They use upper level undergraduate students as research subjects. The subjects were divided into three teams. First team uses TDT while the second uses iterative test loss development and the third team uses only performed manual testing after the completion phase. And the next is summary. Half of the studies included in this review were performed in the academic context and therefore the external validity could be limited. Empirical results from a comparative case study. TD directs the construction of code structure and affect the way of implementing the code as the tests are written prior to the source code. Research designs. In that, compelling between object classes, other object-oriented metrics, test coverage, lack of cohesion in methods, summary of empirical findings, threats to validity. The validity of the programming experiments in the case project pose a threat to the internal validity of the study. The teams usually have a mixed set of experience and test skills as many students work in industrial companies before the graduation. Thank you.